Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. It's 7 a.m. now and we are heading towards Kala Pathar from Goraksep. That day you see is the steep climb that we need to do, and it's around 460 meter of elevation that we will do now. It's gonna take approximately 3 hours. In Goraksep you have the worst room, the worst bed and everything. It's not neat at all. The toilets are very bad as well. Doesn't matter which hotel you choose. So that's the reason we have been carrying our own sleeping bag. Most of the camps you find proper rooms and proper toilets, proper bed sheets, clean ones, but some of them they are not. So that is the reason you need to carry your own sleeping bag. On the way to Kala Pathar, you arrive at a point which is called as Everest viewpoint, and there you can see is the Everest. Kala Pathar in English means black stone. So the stones around here are in black. That is why this spot is called as Kala Pathar, and from here you can have a view of sun rays falling on Everest. Behind this peak you see is Everest, but it's covered with clouds so you can't have the visibility. We started from Goraksep at 7 a.m. and by 9 a.m. we were here. It took us 2 hours to climb till the Kala Pathar peak. And from here you can see there is Everest, which is hidden behind the clouds, and there are several other beautiful peaks. This is the highest altitude we have done on this trek to Everest Base Camp, Kala Pathar, which is at 5,500 something. In Goraksep, we stayed at Snowland Highest Inn, which is one of the worst hotel. I would suggest you should not go for that. The food is worst. They reuse the oil to cook the food again and again, and the food tastes shit. The toilets and the rooms are very bad, very dirty, and not at all suitable to sleep here. So I would suggest never go for Snowland Highest Inn when in Goraksep. Now it's 12. We are starting from Goraksep for Pheriche. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.